Tatu, how are you? Mary Allen here, and I'm right here now in Grosvenor Place, agus tá méid dul an Irish Embassy. Is pop-up Gaeltacht atá ann inniu, agus tá scirt am íon. Agus sin é an Irish Embassy, agus tá méid ag dul isteach.
Tá officer gohfuil an seo le don ocáid dáheangach seo, and tá muid conscious go hórtling Horasaken. So we're going to bring you on a bit of a journey, Thoras, and exercise achtra, even a bit of an adventure. Mar sé seo an céadúir dhéanamar ocáid cosúil seo le tréimhte fada. So it's the first time in a long time that this much Irish has been spoken in this embassy. So
traditional Finn kind of Cuchulainn kind of storytelling, but he was a great man to tell anecdotes. Agus bhí sé long the scéalta faoi na hialthaí agus faoi hial daoine ar aithne go orthu. Agus duine sé an scéalaín seo dom ó Eoin. It was about a local man who had lived all his life in Aghmore, where I'm from, in East Mayo. And towards the end of his life, he succumbed to dementia.
Agus sin é an leabhar, Madame Lazar, agus is Jack. He signed it for me. I wish I could hear that. And the big challenge now is reading and leabhar seo as Gaeilge. To read a whole book like this in Irish. That's my challenge.